वेलकम एवरीवन टू आवर लिटिल सेगमेंट जिसको आज हम बोल रहे हैं बिना चाय की चर्चा, क्योंकि आज हमारे पास यहाँ इस वैनिटी रूम में ना चाय है ना कोई पकवान है, लेकिन हमारे पास एक बहुत ही मीठी मीठी सी लड़की है, बहुत ही प्यारी, जिसका नाम है शरायू दाते, ऑल द वे फ्रॉम Mumbai. She is here with us today to be our celebrity parade marshal and our celebrity singer for the evening concert that we have for India Day celebrations today. So welcome, Sharayu.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
You are most welcome. तो कैसी फीलिंग हो रही है? सुबह भी मैंने पूछा था. But
Yes.
Now how are you feeling? Now is the concert
Now
done?
it's all like butterflies before the concert. That feeling is always there, and I hope that it doesn't go away ever because it's a good feeling.
Right.
Gets you excited for the concert, and I'm really looking forward to performing at the Panorama India Day celebrations, India Day festival that we are celebrating today. So yeah, very excited.
तो थोड़ा सा अभी डिफरेंट एंगल लेते हैं. जस्ट लाइक टेल अस लिटिल बिट अबाउट योरसेल्फ, where you grew up, कैसी रही जर्नी. I think आपने लास्ट टाइम मुझे बताया था like you were in Pune as well.
Yes.
So little bit.
So I come from a musical family. My mother, Anjali Date, she's also a Hindustani classical vocalist, and my father is also into music. He
Okay.
has not pursued music properly, but he's a decent singer, I would say. And I was born in Nagpur, but I grew up in Pune. And initially, I started learning from my mother, and then eventually I started learning from Vidushi Aarti Anklekar Tikekar ji.
Okay.
And now I've been learning Hindustani classical from Padma Shri Dr. Ashwini Bhide Deshpande ji. So I'm still learning Hindustani classical, but when I was a kid, I was in this reality show called Saregama Little Champs Marathi.
Okay.
So I was exposed to the television very early on in my life. So that helped me learn different forms of music. And being in a reality show, it kind of, it in a way boosts your confidence too.
Right.
So that was an amazing experience. Then I was in The Voice, The Voice India, and I've been singing in movies. I've sung in Marathi films. I have also sung in a Hindi film that's releasing in September now.
Okay.
That's my first Bollywood playback. And
very nice. Congratulations.
thank you. And now I'm also dabbling into composing as well. So yeah, here and there everywhere.
I think that's the quality of a well-rounded musician, I must say.
Yeah, and I've been very lucky to have gurus, good people around with whom I've gotten the opportunity to work. Like I have had the opportunity to perform with Shankar Mahadevan, with Ajay Atul, with Javed Ali ji. So these are all really big names, and you get to learn so much from them while working with them. So I've been blessed, I think.
That's awesome. So, considering the fact that you've been so exposed to different platforms through reality shows, you've sung with ace musicians and ace singers, who is your idol when it comes to singing?
When it comes to singing, I mean, I have to name this, and it's very obvious. Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji. She is every singer's idol, and people literally worship her as artists because the kind of perfection and emotion that she brings into every single song. You listen to a song at least 5 times, you learn 10 different things every time you listen to it. So it's, I mean, I have to name Lata ji, Asha ji, and of course my guru Ashwini ji, Shankar Mahadevan ji. He's someone that he's composing, he's singing all kinds of music, and that is something that I also aspire to do. So I really look up to all these people.
Very nice. So coming to the composition part, tell us a little bit about your original composition, Saiya Movie, जो आपने I think compose किया है,
Yes.
और फिर गाया भी है.
Yes. So Sanya Turi happened very organically. I had never tried composing or writing before that. And when I was in The Voice, Bollywood composer Salim Merchant was my mentor. And I think he was the driving force for me to like work on Sanya Turi, because he had Salim Suleiman. They had just started their label called Merchant Records, where they were releasing all kinds of independent music from new artists. So he was a huge support, and so that's how like I had just composed a tune and I worked on it with my one of my friends. He's a producer, Saurabh Bhalera. So we worked on it and then we played it to Salim sir and he loved it. So that's how वहाँ से फिर वो शुरू हुआ, and that's how Sanya Turi happened. And so many people liked it. I was not expecting this kind of response. Especially from the musical fraternity, like so many big names appreciated the songs. I would like to mention one special thing. ये मैंने publicly कभी नहीं बोला है, but Salim sir had sent me a voice message from Sunidhi Chauhan,
Oh wow.
who is such an inspiration for me. And she mentioned that she loved Sanya Turi, and it was she liked the song, and that meant so much to me. And that has kind of given me a confidence that maybe I can try composing as well. Like I don't claim to be a composer; that's not my forte, but it is a way of a musical expression, I feel.
Exactly.
So yeah, whenever I get into the mood, I just try composing.
थोड़ा सा दो लाइनें गुनगुनाएं क्या? Sanya
Of
Turi?
course, yes. सैया तोरी याद सताए सैया तो sorry, I go again. सैया तोरी याद सताए सैया तोरी याद सताए बादल गरजे मोरा जिया घबराए क्यों आए सैया तोरी याद सताए सैया तोरी.
Beautiful. This was so heart-touching, Shaili. It was so
Thank you.
beautiful. I'm amazed to see कि इतनी young age में like your voice has so much maturity and wholesomeness और इतना ठहराव है. मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so
बहुत
much.
अच्छा लगा. Like I don't claim to be a musical person, but this was really hard.
So sweet. Thank
बहुत
you.
अच्छा लगा.
Thank you very much.
तो आपके कंटेम्प्रेरीज में जो है उनमें किसको आप आइडलाइज करते हो? संगीत, इंडियन, काफी जैसे सुनील चौहान के बारे में आपने कहा, वो
She is like
she's your
way
senior, right? But in your
but
contemporaries,
I just name a few names from the Hindi film industry
Right.
who are also doing really amazing in the independent music scenario. One is of course Janita Gandhi, who is Canada's own
Yes.
girl.
She was a panorama idol actually.
Yes.
तो वो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से ही like हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म का बच्चा है वो हम ये
Of
कहते
course,
हैं.
I love her and I love her singing, and she's really doing so amazing. So, Junita, and another name that I would love to mention is Shalmali Kholgade.
Okay.
She has sung so many songs in Hindi films, but at the same time, she is also into writing and composing, and like she has also been a mentor figure in my life.
Wow.
And yeah, she also inspires me. So these two names are they inspire me.
That's awesome. And between Bollywood and independent, which experience touched your heart more?
I think it's independent music because अभी इतना मतलब it's blooming, the independent music scene, because so many labels and so many even music directors are coming up with their own record labels and they're releasing their own music because वहाँ पे आपका true expression as an artist आप बता पाते हो. There's no limitations to it. You can try, you can experiment whatever you want, and you can collaborate. There's just so like the world is open. So yeah, independent music is something that I want to explore more into.
That's amazing. और काम के बारे में तो हमने बहुत बातें करी, तो पर्सनल फ्रंट पे शिरायू, व्हाट आर यू प्लानिंग, क्या आपके फ्यूचर प्लान्स हैं? थोड़ी गॉसिप कर.
Future plans, so I've been like, this is my life. Music is my life. I've been into music since I was a kid. So I hope I get to do this every single day of my life, and that's what my plan is, to keep singing.
Any plans to settle down soon? Well, that's actually a wrong word. आजकल के ज़माने में settle down, like getting married is not settling down. Because women are so independent and so self-sufficient that is not a good word to use. But anything like that on the calendar? Or
not right now.
I know you're very young.
Yeah.
But really, all women, they kind of have that feeling that kabhi, we should have a companion.
Yeah.
Someone.
So I'm not completely against the idea of marriage. I'm open to it, but not right now. So yeah.
But we have a very eligible young woman here. So to all talented people out there who can handle her, we have a very eligible young woman with us. That is amazing, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so
I hope you
much.
do very, very well in your professional as well as personal life.
Thank
and you find all the happiness that you're looking for.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time, Shirayu.
Thanks,
And of course, ये हमने बिना चाय के चर्चा करी है, but इसके बाद हम सब बैठ के खूब चाय पकौड़े करेंगे. तो stay tuned. We have a little bit more coming up. Thank you so much.
गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में कैसा डाला, गजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाँ मेरे मैं तेरे कुर्बान.
दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले